Question number 22. When introducing a living organism to an environment to eliminate another living organism, the symbiotic relationship between those two living organisms can be either A, parasitism or predation, B, symbiosis or mutualism, C, parasitism or mutualism, D, predation or symbiosis. This is a rephrasing of a previously came question. Yes, exactly. The correct answer is A, which is parasitism or predation. If I extend it a little bit, I'm gonna say the biological pest control, which is the exact same definition that came before in one question of Tajmi'at previous years. This ladybug, okay, is considered a predator for the aphids. Aphids are, yes, they are pests that are harming our crops. So in order to eliminate the aphids, we are introducing the ladybug. And in this case, ladybug is a predator for the aphids. Okay, we can even use another parasite for them and eliminating them, not affecting our crop, and reduce our usage of pesticides or those chemical dangerous substances. I'm extending it even more. Okay, the symbiosis is a biological relationships. We have three major groups of the mutualism. Number one is the of the symbiosis, and of course the predation or parasitism. It's very important for the biological pest control. Biological pest control. Pest control. Okay, we have mutualism, which is a win-win relationship or benefit exchange. One organism benefit and other organism is benefiting as well. Commensalism is a win-nothing, or one organism benefiting and other organism neither benefited nor harmed. The parasitism is a relationship in which one organism benefiting on harming other organisms. So it is win-lose relationship. Okay, it may be from outside, so it's known as ectoparasitism, such like the hyrudo, okay, that is sucking blood, okay, from outside of the bodies, okay, and also it may be endoparasitism, such like the protozoan that can cause the malaria, the African sleeping sickness, okay, those are called endoparasitism. That's all of the explanation for this particular point in further details.